is up, you guys? Welcome back. This is more of an unboxing slash review. We'll do a test video when it's installed. This is going into my ice shack. It is a 5 kilowatt an hour diesel heater. I have cracked the box just to look. We'll do it together. Soft pipe. Some ducting. Nice, simple, easy. 4 1-inch outlets, digital. Even comes with a remote. Probably never use that. 2 ducts. And I think this one is the breather duct. Exhaust pipe. And a whole bunch of miscellaneous fittings. So let's try and assemble it, see how she goes. I'm very excited to see how this thing works. I've heard great things about them, but we shall see. Comes the hot air. Beautiful. Let's climb up into the tent. See how she's pumping out the hot air. Gonna close up the door here after the video, of course, because we are trying to heat the tent before we go to bed. Excuse me and the shakiness. Trying to climb up in the rooftop tent isn't the easiest. See, the hose is coming out right there. Oh, climb up here. Oh yeah, nice and warm air. Shouldn't take long to warm up this little tent. Well, I think we're going on 17 minutes. Yep, 17 minutes. Blowing out hot air, just out of 1 tube. As you guys can see, it's 4 outlets, but I needed to join the tubes with a little connector just to make it up to my tent, because one wasn't quite enough, but nothing's getting hot to be concerned about anyways. You can feel warmth off the tube, but Nothing that's gonna burn my tent. I'm not concerned about that. Let's go see how warm it is in the tent. Oh yeah, noticeably warmer in here. Very impressive. That's actually crazy. One little heater tube. Can't wait to get another. As soon as I get home, I'm gonna order another set of excuse me, tubes off of Amazon, so I can run hopefully one on this side, and then one ideally come through there too, because it opens up there too. But hey, not bad. I'll leave it run for another half an hour, and then we'll shut it off, bring the remote in, and then if we get cold we can turn it on during the night. But for $300 off of Amazon for that heater, mint.